Yes, okay friends. Practice set 1.3. We are starting with this video with practice set 1.3 question number 1. Okay. In this figure, angle ABC equals to 75 degree, EDC equals to 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Okay. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by a proper one-to-one correspondence. Okay. So first we should have to clearly understand about the word one-to-one correspondence. Okay. One-to-one correspondence. So first I will explain you about the one-to-one correspondence with different examples. So it will help you to solve these questions. Okay, in practice set 1.3. So let's start with the examples. This is different thing. I am just explaining the example, my own examples. Okay, this is a triangle 1. Name of triangle is ABC. Okay, this is another triangle. Name of triangle is X, Y, Z. Okay, but these two triangles are similar. This is given. So first we have to write. What we have to write? We have to write the correspondence. Correspondence, or we can say that one-to-one correspondence. Okay, one-to-one correspondence. So how we can write that? Okay, so first the name ABC corresponds to XYZ. Okay, this is the method of writing correspondence. If we start from here, ABC, okay, ABC, then according to correspondence, from here the second triangle will start. The name of second triangle will start from here, X, Y, Z. Okay. For example, if we write correspondence like that, BCA corresponds to what we will write here, name, we will start from Y. Okay. Then we will get YZX. Understand? And if we start the name of first triangle from CAB, okay, CAB, and what is the correspondence with second triangle? ZXA, okay, ZXA. So this is all about the correspondence. Okay, and if we write the corresponding angles, so how we can write that? So angle A corresponds to angle, okay, in this angle A corresponds to angle X. First angle corresponds to first angle X, comma, angle B corresponds to second one, middle one, here middle, Y, angle Y, comma, angle C corresponds to angle C corresponds to angle Z. Okay, this is all about the first. If we give number, we can give the number also, number 1, and this is answer of number 1. Correspondence I am writing here. Okay, this is the sequence, name sequence. Second one I am writing second here. Okay, BCA, here I am writing the angle, name of angles in correspondence. Okay, so first angle is angle B, which is corresponds to here first angle Y. Okay, angle Y, comma, angle C corresponds to angle Z, angle C corresponds to angle Z, and angle A corresponds to angle X, A corresponds to angle X. Okay, this is about the second one. And if we write about the third, okay, we will give the name here third, and answer of third is here. Okay, so angle C, here name starting from C, so first angle is C, and here first angle is Z, so C corresponds to angle Z. comma A corresponds to, this is the middle angle, X. Okay, so angle A corresponds to angle X, comma angle B corresponds to angle A. Angle B corresponds to angle A. Okay, this is all about the correspondence. If we change the sequence of name or order of name, we are starting from here, we can start from here and here, anywhere from we can start, but as correspondence we should have to choose the same angle from the second triangle. Okay, this is all about the correspondence. You can see this video by pausing or by taking the snapshots or by screenshot. Okay, you can watch this video twice or thrice for clear understanding. Okay, this is all about the corresponding angles. Now we are coming to the first question of practice set 1.3. Okay, here we should have to show that by which test these two triangles are similar and by which correspondence they are similar to each other. Okay, we have understand about the meaning of correspondence. So let's solve this example or this question number 1. Okay, so student, here solution. First, in triangle EDC. Okay, in triangle EDC and triangle ABC we are choosing these two triangles ABC and EDC. Okay, what are the corresponding angles here? Angle E corresponds to angle A, D corresponds to B and C corresponds to C. Okay, C is a common angle. So student, here first we are writing that angle C is equals to angle C is equals to 75 degree. This is given. Okay, or we can write it as equation number 1. Okay, and we can write the name of this angle. How we can write the name of this angle? Angle ACB is equals to angle ACB equals to ECD. ECD is equals to 75 degree, or this is given. These two equations are same, just I am writing the name in 3 digit or here only in 1 digit. Okay, this is also angle C, this is also angle C, this is angle C and this is also angle C. Just I am writing in full form, writing the name in full form or short form. Okay, the second thing is angle ABC. Okay, angle ABC, or if we look in EDC, then we can write first in triangle EDC. Okay, so what we can write that angle EDC is equals to angle ABC. Okay, ABC is equals to 75 degree. Okay, this is given. Okay, so sorry, here is we can write that common angle. Okay, what we can write that this is a common angle. What will be the dimension? They are same. Okay, common angle, and this is also a common angle. Question number 1. And the dimension of this angle is given 75 degree. Dimension of this angle is not given. This is a same angle or common angle in both triangle. Okay, so by the test of angle test, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Okay, so by angle test, triangle EDC is similar to triangle A B C. Okay.